Morning, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss one ancient formula, that is Heron's formula. Already we know that the structure triangle. If the base length we know that and the height also we know that this is the perpendicular distance between the base to another vertex. We know that means area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. This thing already we know that. So if you have the side one side and the perpendicular distance, know that means we can derive or we can form the area. Now the same way, suppose this is the right angle triangle. This is the base length, suppose 5 centimeter, and this is the hypotenuse, suppose 6 centimeter is given. Now what is our area? 1 by 2 into base 5 into height h. So that is 350 centimeters square. This thing already we know that. Now we are going to study about the triangle area by using the side value. So suppose you have a triangle, any triangle. The type of triangle already you know that. It's an equilateral triangle. Suppose this is your isosceles triangle, something. It's for a scale triangle. Suppose you have a sides A, B, C. A, here B are equal, no? That is A, here A, B, C. If you have a sides, automatically how to find the area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula. This thing we are going to study. So for that, in our book, the structure given first equilateral triangle with the sides, equilateral triangle with the sides 10 centimeter. Now already we know that how to find the area. So area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Now what is our base? So b equal to here 10 centimeter. Height we need to find. By using this we can find the area. Suppose this is our height. It's a 90-degree meet. Then we are going to find the length height by using your right angle triangle form. So now this is the midpoint of this line. So it's a 5 centimeter. So here 10 centimeter, no, that is A, B, C, suppose D. It's our right angle triangle form. AC squared equal to AB squared plus DC squared. So substitute AC squared 10 squared, AD squared H squared, DC squared 5 squared. So H squared equal to right 10 squared minus 5 squared because we can write left side. So 100 minus 25 then equal to 75. Then H is equal to how to find? So H is equal to nothing but square root of 75. Now we need to split over 75 using the prime factorization. 75 we can write as 5, first 3 or 5, anyone, each choice. Suppose 5. What happened? 1 5s are 5, remaining 2. So 15 5s. 5, 3. So I can write this 75, root 75 as 5 into 5 into 3. Consider 1 5 outside. So 5 root 3. This is the height value. Now area equal to 1 by 2 into base 10 into height 5 root 3. So we can cancel 5. So 5 5 is 25 root 3. So this is actually area of the triangle, equilateral triangle with the sides 10 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, you can find your isosceles triangle. Now we are going to try to find this area by using your Heron's formula. Heron's formula note down as if S, the Heron's formula, they are going to give area equal to square root of S into S minus A, where side A, B, C, side length, into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to semi-perimeter. So perimeter already you know that A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is the value of S. Now we are going to find the same equilateral triangle area by using your Heron's formula. So for that A equal to root of S value given as 10. S value we need to find. First S equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 2. So 30 divided by 2. So equal to 15. So A equal to root of 15 into 15 minus A 10. Next 15 minus B 10. Next 15 minus C 10. So that is square root of 15 into 15 minus 10 just 5. 5. 5. Don't multiply this value. Already you know that the prime factorization of 15, 3 into 5. So already 5, 5, 5 is there. Take 1 5 from this pair. 5 5s, 2 5s are there, no. So that is from this pair 1 5 into from this pair another 5. Remaining only 3, that is root 3. So equal to 5 5s are 25. So 25 root 3. So all are centimeters, so centimeter square, here also centimeter square. So this structure we are going to study using this formula. We are going to find the area of the triangle by using this. So area of the triangle is nothing but A equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So I am going to derive Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, area we need to find for your triangle. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is the Heron's formula structure. Using this, we are going to derive some formula, some problems. Okay, right. For that, things are given, many problems are given. First problem. Suppose triangle given like this. This one 50 centimeter. This one 40 centimeter. Suppose this is 60 centimeter. Find area. Using Heron's formula. This is the problem. Sides only given. So let A equal to 40, B equal to 50, C equal to 60 centimeter. Now Heron's formula, area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So therefore S is equal to 40 plus 50 plus 60 whole divided by 2. So 40 plus 60, 100. So 150. 150 divided by 2. That is 150 divided by 2, 75. Now S equal to 75 centimeters. Okay. Now I am going to find the answer. That is S is equal to 75 centimeter. So area equal to square root of S 75 into 75 minus side A 40, side B 50, and the side is 60. We need to find this answer. For that idea, don't multiply anything. 75 into 75 minus 40 is 35. Next, 75 minus 50, 25. 75 minus 60, 50. Now find the prime factorization of this 75, 35, 25 and 50. For that, write 20. 75 prime factorization. Suppose 5, 1, remaining 2, 15. So 5, 3. So 5 into 3 for this 15, 75 over. Next for 35, 5 sevens are 35. So 5 into 7. Next for 25, already you know that 5 into 5. For 15, 3 into 5. Enough. Don't multiply anything. After that, write like that. First tick this one. 1, 2. For the first pair, 5, 5, no. So we choose the prime number, common pair. First 5, 5. So write outside. Only 1, 5. Next number come to next number. 3 is there? Any 3 checks? 3 is there? No. Tick. 3. So into 3 write like that. Next come to next number. 5. Oh, 5 is there. Here also 5 is there. 1, 5. So 1, 5. Next come to 7. No 7s are there. Leave it. Next come to next number. Take it. Next come to this number. Oh, already another number is there. If you have only 1, 5, leave it. Now 5. Tick. Into 5. Square root of remaining number only without tick 7. Now multiply this number. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 3. 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, 2 3s are 6, 7, 1 3. So 375 into root 7. This is the answer. This is centimeter square. So area equal to this. So this is your answer. Easily you can. Suppose the problem is given if sides of a triangle (3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter), then find area. This is a question. For that, like the previous question, consider A equal to 3 centimeter, and B equal to 4 centimeter, and C equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore, solution we only here as formula. No, first find is semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 2. 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is square root of S value 6. So 6 into 6 minus 3 into 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 5. Square root of 6 into 6 minus 3, no 3. 6 minus 4, no 2. 6 minus 5. Now root of, write the prime factorization of 6, 2 into 3. Already 3 into 2. Now first choose 2. 2, another 2 is also there. 2 this one, write outside only 1. Next 3, 1, 2. 2 3s are there, write 3. Into root, without any number, no, that is 1. So leave it, no need to write. All the number we consider, so then no need to write any value. So now 2 3s are 6. So 6 centimeters square is the area of this triangle. So this is the simple form of the Aron's formula problems. So further we did some practice. We can solve such type of problems also. Now your book example problems. Just a problem. Find the area of the triangle. Example 1. Find area of the triangle. Area with two sides of which are, so we can consider two sides. So A equal to 8 centimeter and B equal to 11 centimeter. Like that given. And the perimeter is 32. Perimeter. centimeter. Okay. So actually I am going to draw the picture. 8, 11. This side we don't know, but the total perimeter surrounding, no. So it's 32. Now we need to find our perimeter now by using our sides. So that is, we are going to consider A plus B plus C. A value, B value, like that taken. We need to find the C value. So perimeter equal to 32. Now A value 8, B value 11, C value we don't know. So 32. C equal to 32. 8 plus 7, 19 plus C equal to 32. So C equal to 32 minus 19. So C equal to 11, 13. So C equal to 13 centimeter. Now automatically we can find the area of the triangle. Right. So already perimeter is given. So now S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now already A plus B plus C equal to 32. No need to add once again. So 32 divided by 2, that is 16. So area equal to square root of S into S minus C into S minus B into S minus C. So root of 32 into 32 minus 8 into 32 minus 11 into 32 minus 13. So square root of 32 into 32 minus 8, 24. 32 minus 11, just 21. 32 minus 13, just 19. Oh, sorry. Here I used 32. No, sorry. So here S equal to 16. This is the problem. Now square root of 16 into 16 minus A value 8. 16 minus A value B value 11. Next 16 minus 13. 16 into 16 minus 8, 8. 16 minus 11, 5. 16 minus 13, 3. Now find the correct factorization of 16. 16 another 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Just a prime factorization. We know that. 8 also 2 into 2 into 2. Next into 5 into 3. For the first pair, write 1 to outside. For the second pair, write 2 another side, another 2. Write third pair, another 2. 2, there is no pair here. 5, there is no number. 3 also, there is no number. Leave it into square root of 2 into 5 into 3. That is 2 to 2 or 8. The root of 2 5s are 10. 10 into 3, 30. So 30 centimeters. So this is the problem. Suppose semi-perimeter is given. Then how to find your semi-perimeter means S given. A plus B plus C divided by. Then how to find this one? We know that A value given, B value given, semi-perimeter given. No, that is S value given, right? This side. Now 32 perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but 2 into S. That is 2S equal to A plus B plus C. This idea also we need. So semi-perimeter into 2. Perimeter equal to 2 times of semi-perimeter. Perimeter equal to 2 times of semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C equal to 2x. Using this also you can find. mark ABC of side problem. A equal to 120, B equal to 80, and C equal to just 50 meter. Okay. Gordon Leone has to put a fence that is around perimeter all around it, and also plant the grass inside the area. How much area does he need to plant? Area we need to find. Find the cost of fencing it with the border wire at the rate of ₹20 for the suppose it's for thing. In that fencing area this side. Okay, so this is perimeter of the triangle. Okay, for that cost ₹20 per meter square. So per meter square cost ₹20. This is given. Leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on it. Leave this one for gate. So don't take this. So 3 meter. So that is without 3 meter. That is perimeter minus 3 meter into ₹20. This is the cost of fencing the triangle area. So first of all we need to find the area, then perimeter. In that perimeter we need to subtract 3 and multiply by 20. This is the area. So for that around from the area we need to find S is equal to 120 plus 80 plus 50 divided by 2. So that is 200, 250 divided by 2, that is 75. Sorry, 125. Now area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So equal to square root of 125 into 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 50. So equal to square root of 125 into 125 minus 125, 125 minus 80, 45, 125 minus 50, 75. You may think that the prime factorization of first 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. Next 5 is the 5. For 45, just 5, 9 5s are, so 3 3. So 5 into 3 into 3. For 75, already noted 5, 15, next 5 3. 5 into 5 into 3. For the first 2 5, write 5. For the next 2 5, write 5. For first one, this number write 5. For this 3, write 3. 1 3. Remaining, it's all are removed. Only 5 and 3. Write like that. So 5 5s are 125 into 3 375 into root 3 5 3s are 50. This is the area of. So area, okay. Now fencing the outside perimeter we need to find. So this is a semi perimeter. So perimeter nothing but A plus B plus C divided by 2. So perimeter equal to A plus B plus C, that is already you know that A plus B plus C value 250. Now fencing place equal to, we need to give the gap 3 meter. So 250 minus 3 meter, that is 247 meter. Now cost of fencing equal to 247 into ₹20. This is the mean. So 247 into ₹20 is the product It's nothing but 494 into 0 is. So idea find the perimeter. Next perimeter. Idea first perimeter. Next find the area. In that perimeter we need to fence surrounding area. But here we need to give the gate length 3 meter. So leave the 3 meter from your perimeter. Leave the 3 meter from your perimeter. So 250 minus 3 247. Now the cost of fencing is rupees 20 per meter square given, so that your fencing per meter is given 20. So we can multiply this. Right. Next problem. The sides of the triangle plots are in the ratio 3:5:7 ratio given, and its perimeter equal to 300 meter. Okay, but now actually given ratio. Now we are going to consider the sides. Therefore, the sides of the triangle. We need to multiply by any one x. So 3x, 5x, 7x. Multiply by any one x. So 3x, 5x, 7x. Now that addition is given perimeter. So perimeter equal to or a plus b plus c. That is, this is a, b, c equal to 300 meters. This is the meaning. That is sum of the sides. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x equal to 300 meter. So 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 5 15x. So 15x equal to 300 meter. So x equal to 300 divided by 15. So 2 15s are 30, 20. So x is equal to 20 meter. So now we have x. Therefore, I am going to consider the sides of the triangle. Or 3 into 20, 5 into 20, 7 into 20. 3 20s are 60, 100, 7 20s are 140. This is the mean. So now we can consider a value, b value, c value. So now I am going to solve using your Heron's formula. So therefore a equal to 60 meter because unit given meters. B equal to 100 meter and C equal to 140 meter. So now we need to find S value. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 60 plus 100 plus, already you know that 300, it's a perimeter. So 300 divided by 2, 150 meter. Already you know that this thing. Now area equal to just square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Square root of 150 into 150 minus 16 into 150 minus 100 into 150 minus 140. So square root of 150 into 150 minus 16, 50 plus 40, 90. 150 minus 100, 50. 150 minus 10. Now we are going to use the prime factorization. I am going to give the many ideas of how to write the prime factorization of this thing. No need to write all the prime numbers. I am going to give but anyway, just now find the prime factorization of 150 already you know that 5, so 30, 5, 6, 2, 3. For the square root of 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. Here 9 we know that 3 into 90. 3, 30, 3, 10, 2, 5. 2 into 5. For 50, 5, 10, 5, 5 into 5 into 2. For 10, 5 into 2. This thing. Okay. For that, here first 5 into 5, 1, 5. For 2, this 2 and this 2, 1, 2. For this 3, 1, 3. For this 5, 1, 5. For this 5, 2, 5. For this 2, into 2. There is no numbers in between in square root. So for that, 1, 3 is missing. 3, 3, 3. Okay. For 150, I'm going to write once again. For 150, suppose 5, 3, 30. Suppose 5, 6. Suppose 2, 3, 1, 3. I missed 1. So that is 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. For 90, you know the 3 into 3. 1, 3 I missed 1. That's the problem. 3 into 3 remaining 10. 2 into 5. For 50, 5 into 5 into 2. For 10, 2 into 5. For that, first 2 5s are 1 5. 2 is there. 3 into 2. 3 is there. Into 3. This one no number. For another 5. For another 5. Remaining on 3 is the root. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So 10 10s are 100. 100 into this to 15. 1500. Product is 1500 into root 3. So this is the meter square. Everything given in meter for 300 meter given also for the meter square. So this is the idea. Just after this word. Now I am going to give the shortcut idea of your square root of value. Now we can split your 150. Everything 150, 50, delete it 100. Because of 50 into 10 we can write. 9 into 10 we can write. 50 into 10 we can write. For 10. For this 10 we can move 1 10. For this 10 I can move 1 10. So 10 into 10. Remaining, actually think about 15 into 9 into 5. Now we can split once again. 10 into 10, 100 now there is 15, 5 into 3. For 9, we can take it directly for 9 perfect square number. Now we can take it 3 into 5. Now for this 5 we can write 1 5. So 100 into 300 into 300 into 5 remaining root 3. This is 1500 root 3. Okay. Suppose the square root of something. I am going to give some ideas. Suppose things given 200 into 100. For that, no need to 200 into 100 into some 300. For that, no need to write prime factor is not 200, 100, 300 separately. Just for 100, no. Already it's perfect square, no. So 2 into 100 like that, right? This is 100 already, no problem. 3 into 100 like that, right? So for the 100, this 100, 10 into 10, so 10. For this 100, another 10. For this 100, another 10. Now write 2 into 3. That is 1000 root 3. That prime factor division I am given. Another idea, suppose Suppose 15 into 45 into 90. Some numbers like that given. Now already know that 90 is a multiple of 45. We can write 45 into 2. 15 into 45 into 90, we can write 45 into 2. Now for this 45, write 145 outside. Remaining 15 easy. 15 not possible because 3 into 5 into 2 no. So 45 into 15 into 2, 30. So like that also we can do. Thank you.